Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the biggest smart smoke detector mistakes that many people make without realizing it. So one of the most common mistakes is placing this smoke detector too close to the kitchens, bathrooms, air vents or ceiling fans. Steam or cooking smoke and even airflow can trigger false alarms and prevent smoke from reaching the sensor quickly during an emergency. Now, a lot of people silence the chirping and forget about it. Even smart smoke detectors with the app notifications still need regular battery checks or the power verifications. So, a detector with weak power may stay connected to the application but fail to respond properly during the real smoke events. Now, many smoke alarms rely on the Wi-Fi for the mobile alerts, remote monitoring, and smart home automations. So if your router changes, the Wi-Fi gets updated or the app disconnects, the detector may lose smart features completely without you noticing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.